How to repost an Instagram post. First, open up Instagram. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. And I'm gonna show you how you can repost it. So firstly, you can just repost a post by just pressing on the arrow icon. And here, you will be able to see the option of add to story. Just basically press on it. And now, you can just basically post it on your story. Sorry, it had the music, so I had to mute it. But yeah, you can just directly post it on your music, or the other option is just you could basically add note to it, and it will just basically kind of repost it because it will show to everyone's feed, and it will show in everyone's of your friends feed. So this is another way. And the third way and the last method is just basically you can take a screenshot of that picture just like that. And once you take a screenshot, just basically cut it just like that and then press done. Now what you can do is just press on upload, and now you can just do this, and here, as you can see, just press next and you can successfully repost an Instagram post without the option. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and drop a comment and subscribe to the channel, and that's it.